Is your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max not showing the 5G network or getting a weak signal? Don't worry, here's how to fix the 5G not working or missing signal issue on your iPhone running with iOS 26. So the first thing, you have to make sure your 5G is actually turned on. So go to your settings, then tap on cellular and choose your SIM. It could be your primary or whichever SIM you are using. Now tap on voice and data, and here you have to make sure it's set to 5G auto or 5G on. I personally recommend 5G auto because it actually switches between 4G and 5G to save your battery. If it's already on, just back from here, and now you are gonna check for your carrier update. So again, from your settings, go to general, and from about, scroll until you see carrier. If you see an update there, go ahead and update it, because sometimes that alone fixes the problem. But if your 5G is still not showing up, no worries, go back again and check for a software update. If there's any update available, install it. This can help fix network bugs too. But if you have done all that, your 5G is still acting up, it's time to reset your network settings. So from your settings, go to general, and from transfer or reset iPhone, hit reset, then choose reset network settings. Your iPhone will restart automatically, and trust me, this fixes it in most cases. And one last thing, after your phone restart, go back to settings, then cellular, choose your SIM again, and then tap on this data mode option. Make sure it's set to standard. Sometimes this little change helps your connection get back to normal. And that's it. Once you have done all of the steps, your 5G should be working perfectly again. But if you're still facing problem, then it might be that your carrier doesn't support 5G yet. In that case, just contact your carrier support team and they will help you out. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.